Okay, I just opened Maleficent, woo! And realized that my entire vlog earlier had no audio. Woo! Nothing I can do about it now.
This is true. Alright, so yeah, we're doing another Mystery Mini unboxing, and we're starting off with the Tsum Tsums. So I'm going to open one up too now.
Yay! Spellspace is here. Welcome to another Mystery Mini unboxing. That's what I said at the beginning.
Let's see. What is this one? This one is... Oh, this is Disgust. Okay. That's who this is. This is Disgust.
From Inside Out.
Indeed.
I don't remember Disgust.
Disgust didn't have a big part in the adventure. She stayed in the main tower. But she was the green one. She has quite the little parts to her as well. Out of the... Maybe out of the... There we go. Out. Alright, let's see. Let's go... Here? I don't know. Not entirely sure.
Disgust is a small.
Ugh.
Maleficent was common. And Disgust is lucky, which is one up from common.
One of those go there. One of those go. There. Whoa. No. It's supposed to go there.
You knocked off Maleficent's flames.
Indeed, at some point I moved the table too much, and Maleficent's flame took a tumble. That one goes on. Whew. Not the easiest to put together.
Some assembly required.
Apparently more talented assembly than me. But there we go. There is Disgust from Disney's Inside Out.
Next, we picked up 3 of these Disney MyEmojis. And so, I've mentioned we have this, now realizing my vlog has no sound. I mentioned in my vlog that you couldn't hear today, my kids have a magnet point system for good behavior. And we're now making any of the Mystery Minis that Mommy and Daddy don't absolutely love an earnable reward on their chart. So, for 10 magnets off the magnet chart, they can pick one of these Mystery Minis for their area. So, they will be excited. Oh, look, there's Mickey with star eyes.
Uh-huh.
But the kids have an emoji, thing. The older kids all thought, emoji stickers and leggings and stuff were cool, and they picked up on that.
Alright, here's another MyEmoji. Let's see. Feels like another Mickey.
These ones
this is a Love Mini. Aww. Now isn't that cute?
We have a couple. Aww.
Alright, and then there's one more of the MyEmojis here. Let's see, who do we have this? Oh. We have Anna, I believe you are right. Very happy Anna.
We know that's going to have to be an earnable one.
Oh, most certainly.
That's going to the kids. Okay, and then I saw this and had to have the Funko Dr. Seuss blind box. I've been seeing the Funko Pop Dr. Seuss characters all over, and I just love them. I think they're just ridiculously cute. So, the Grinch is totally who I'm hoping to get. He is my favorite Dr. Seuss character ever. And The youngest Spawn is having a Grinch-themed first birthday. So these are all the possibilities. I'd take the Cat in the Hat. I mean, there's really nothing I don't want. I love Dr. Seuss. I really do. Also love Funko. It's a local company for us. We're proud of what they've become.
Gotta love hometown companies.
He says these look like black garbage bags. We got the Lorax!
Nice, Mr. Lorax.
We totally, we have this film, so our kids are going to identify with him pretty good. Now, even if they don't have these as earnable toys, they're going to love seeing them on the wall all the time, too.
Definitely. I think I'm going to open up one of these Star Wars bobbleheads.
I love
Mystery
the
Mini.
box bobbleheads, man.
This is just awesome. Let's see here. Our options. Again, I don't really see a negative here.
It's Star Wars.
It is. It's Star Wars, and they're all recognizable characters.
The other nice thing for us is we're not going to be bummed if we get repeats, because that just makes it easy to give one to the kids to earn.
True.
Our kids are super nerds, just like us. One of the 7-year-olds loves Star Wars, and the other one likes it.
This is true.
The 3-year-old still doesn't quite get that one. I don't think. She likes, I think the characters that she likes to go.
Oh, this is amazing. We got my favorite Star Wars character. We got Chewie.
Oh, that is so cute.
And he is such an angry little Chewie.
Is he bobbly? Show us his bobble.
Let's get him on his stand and we'll check out. Maybe let's get him on the stand. There we go.
Dude, I don't know if he's going to go in the shadow boxes or if he has to go on the car.
I'm not sure, but he may have to become the co-pilot. Yeah, he may.
Any of the Star Wars bobbleheads?
He is amazing. Baby Chewie, I think he'd be on par with Baby Groot.
Alright, I'm going to open the other Star Wars bobblehead. I still haven't done it, but we have Stormtrooper family stickers for our SUV. I don't know, it suits a whole lot of kids, because we have a lot of kids. 4 kids is a lot of kids. Don't let anybody, deceive you. 4 kids is a lot of kids. Your family's going to say, no, it's not that many. We want more grandbabies. 4 kids is a lot of kids.
Dun, 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 dun.
A base!
Right on, a base! Sad people.
Yes, it's a sad person.
Is that what that one was? Oh, yeah. I think so, yeah. Totally.
Correct us in the comments.
Totally. Correct us if we're wrong. I totally think that's
He went on his stand a lot easier.
That is awesome.
I think
That the bases connect.
yes, they do. I am not just
And he is getting punched in the face by Chewie.
And that is perfect. And that is so going on our card.
Oh, yes, we need more. More we now must have.
So are we going back to Toys R Us tomorrow with the sales still going? They're buy one, get one 40% off right now, guys. Oh my god.
We might be.
Okay.
We'll see what.
Open a Potter.
Potter. Let's see. There are a lot of characters here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know you'd be really happy with Pixie.
Oh yeah. Or Ron of any kind. You know I love redheads.
Oh, yes, any Weasley would really make you happy.
I like Ron the most.
Yes, Ron is your favorite of the Weasleys.
Ron is my favorite of the everythings. Oh, especially with the starting hat on his cute little head. Or Bellatrix Lestrange. Like her, or there's a couple of dragons.
Or, you know, we could just get Harry.
Well, he is 1 in 6. So he's one of the most common ones.
There he is. Harry with his sorting hat.
The least common one is the merperson. I like the merperson. I love mermaids and unicorns, though. And that's not just an on-trend.
Very nice.
Yay! I love him! Our kids are getting very few of these ones. We love these. Oh, this is... I'm not a mean parent. I just bought them a lot of toys for Christmas.
Yeah.
These are like our Christmas presents to each other. There's nothing under the tree. One of us to the other. We have
these.
Yeah.
We are
Boy that you
buying
watched us unbox. We buy what we want for ourselves for Christmas instead of letting other people guess. So, your family is spot on every year.
Yeah, they're pretty
Your
good.
mom is just insanely good at gifting.
Well, insane's not really all that far off.
You guys too.
Oh, yay. A Thestral.
The Thestral is so insanely cute. Look at it.
That is an adorable Thestral. I really wish Harry could sit on his back.
Harry's way too big.
I know. And he's also sitting on a stool.
Is he? I didn't realize the stool was there too. I'm going to have to look closer and when we're done. I'm so in love with this Thestral.
That is awesome.
Oh my goodness. It might have to appear in a D&D campaign.
I think so.
Oh my god. Okay. Thank you guys for joining us so much. I would say let's pick favorites, baby, but there's only one that's not, Anna's not our favorite.
Disgust's not my favorite?
Not the favorite. The rest of them are our favorites.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, so I think the kids get 2 and mommy and daddy get 8.
We'll see what fits on the shadow boxes when we open them. Alright guys, thank you for joining us for another Mystery Mini unboxing. We appreciate you coming and hanging out. Thank you for joining us, not me. And enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to. That's what my face in the corner is for. Watch some more of my content if you'd like. If this one was fun, there's more over here. Bye.